Thank you, friend, for coming back. Here we are again, and two of us to trying to learn the language. Let's learn Kiluba. That's why we're here. We will learn Kiluba. We know a little bit of Spanish, and we also know a little bit of French. I forgot to talk about it. Yes, last time I believe. I believe you know a little bit of French, isn't it?
Yeah.
And so we also have some words in French. We would like to add more French, more words in Kiluba. That's the reason why we're meeting today. So we're gonna go forward. You remember we spoke about counting last time, which we call kuvala, to count, kuvala, to count, and what we counted last time was. Can you help us to refresh our memory? We're gonna go together. Umo, ividi, isatu, ina, itano. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's exactly what we said in Kiluba. See, we are progressing. I believe so. We are progressing. So we, you wanna try one more very quick?
Okay. Umo, ibidi, isatu, ina, itano.
See, itano. So that's what we learned. And today, as we spoke last time, that we're gonna introduce the alphabet. That's because the alphabet is really the foundation of every language. So it's good to learn the alphabet. Thank you for reminding that. That's probably very important to start there. So we're gonna study a little bit of the alphabet. Today we're gonna study the whole alphabet, and we'll be talking alphabet almost every day before as we continue learning how to count until we reach Katwa. Okay, Katwa, which is 100. We're gonna go forward. I will be saying it at least in Kiluba. How the Kiluba will be going. How the Kiluba goes with the alphabet. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, U, which means U in Kiluba. There U is U in French gonna be U. U, V, W, X, Y, and the Z. Z. I had some pronunciation in the alphabet in French, which I'm presenting to you too. And as you can hear here, let's go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
So as you heard, that's really what in French we can pronounce it, but in Kiluba we will continue, which means we have, for instance, U, which is pronounced in French. In French, it's gonna be U. In Kiluba or Swahili or other languages, it's U. Okay, and something else I can probably emphasize. Of course, in English, it's U. And then we have A. In English, it's gonna be A. And in Kiluba, we say A. Then B, which is B. C. D. D in French, and in Swahili, and we in Kiluba, D. Otherwise, in English, is D. D. E, which is in French A, and it's A also for Kiluba when we write down. F, the same thing. So we will see the difference because I don't want to spend a lot of time, but we'll be talking about it almost every day. So that's what we have as a presentation today. We already 5 minutes. You want to go forward? Let's go together.
Wait a minute. I want to just go over the harder letters, the ones that don't go just like A, B, C, G, which is J, right? J.
J.
And then H, which is hash. I. I'm pretty sure it's just E, right? I is E. Then J is G. And then we have
K is K.
K. But now I'm gonna go all the way down to Q, which is key. And then we have R, which is
R.
R. And then we have U, which is U. Then we have V, which is ver, right?
V.
V. And then with W, which is W. X, which is X. What is Y again?
Y.
Y. And then we have Z. What's Z again?
Z.
Z.
So we're gonna go together. The time is really up. Let's go together. A, B, C. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yeah, so that's what we have today. We are over time, and we will talk to you about the alphabet next time again. It's a long topic, so we will be going back and forth to it, and we will learn, and we're also gonna add in the counting from 6 to 10. All right, stay tuned, and we'll be continuing learning the language. Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.